Both the 7822DT and 40 series machines all come stock from the factory with both a wireless and tethered remote. The following video is to demonstrate how to enable and operate the tethered remote system on a 7822DT. The first thing you need to do to operate your tethered remote is to plug it in. To do so, locate the emergency stop button on the operator side of the machine. Unplug the dummy plug from the back of the emergency stop and plug in the tether cable. It only goes in one way, so make sure not to force it. Once you've plugged into the tether cable, you need to turn on the control panel so that it recognizes the remote you've just plugged in. You only need to do this on version 2 7822s that have the MD3 control screen on the control panel. Turn the ignition key on as normal. Wait for the screen to load. You may have to wait for the glow plug timer to clear before moving forward. Once the message clears, you may locate the F3 soft key, which is denoted by a set of tracks on the screen. Push that key and hold down the F3 again until the red light turns green. Our tether is now enabled. One special note: if you leave the tethered remote enabled on the control panel, but have the tether cable unplugged, the next time you go to start the machine, it will throw 3 error codes at you, starting with VIN error. Simply clear those codes, go to your tracks, and disable the tethered remote. From the tethered remote, you may run both tracks at forward and reverse, and run the blade up and down. Remember, you must hold down the green enable button when doing all of these functions. There's also a red emergency stop button on the side of the remote. When operating the machine, remember to stay out of the danger zone, which is 3 feet laterally and 6 feet fore and aft. If you've got a question you'd like to see answered on this show, send an email to mm@geoprobe.com. And to see more maintenance minutes, go to geoprobe.com/mm.